Welcome back to the channel. If you just had your vehicle vinyl wrapped, had paint protection film or ceramic coating installed, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to take care of it. The goal here is simple. Keep your vehicle looking fresh, protected, and clean for as long as possible. Let's get to it. Most people don't realize that the first few days after installation are the most important. So let's start there. For the first 72 hours, avoid washing your vehicle. No pressure washers, no hand washing, no touching any edges. Everything is still curing and bonding to the surface. Small bubbles during this period are normal for paint protection film. They will dry out and disappear in a few days. Once those first 3 days pass, you can start washing normally, but technique matters. Do hand wash with a pH balanced soap. Use the 2-bucket method. Rinse thoroughly. Use clean microfiber towels and wash mitts only. Don't go through brush style automatic car washes. Don't use strong degreasers or household cleaners. Don't drag dirty towels or mitts across the surface. These things might seem small, but they make a massive difference long term. When drying, avoid letting the car air dry in the sun. This can cause water spots to stain or etch into the wraps, PPF, and coating. I recommend using a microfiber drying towel or a blower to safely remove excess water. If your vehicle is vinyl wrapped, care is simple but specific. Use vinyl safe cleaners and pH neutral soaps. Avoid abrasive polishes. Remove bugs, tar, and bird droppings quickly. Apply a vinyl safe detail spray for extra shine and protection after your washes. Just remember, a vinyl wrap is durable, but just like paint, it appreciates a little attention every now and then. Paint protection film is all about keeping your paint safe from rock chips, scratches, and road debris. To get the most out of it, avoid harsh solvents, don't pick at edges, avoid automatic car washes, and if you must, opt for the touchless washes only. Let self-healing properties work. Minor marks will disappear with heat. If you see light scratches, a little warmth from the sun usually clears them up. Ceramic coatings make maintenance easier, but you still need good habits. Stick to a pH balanced soaps, skip abrasive polishing, use a ceramic safe topper sealant every few weeks. I recommend once a month. Get in the habit of washing regularly so dirt doesn't build up. You'll notice water sliding right off, and that's exactly what you want. Every few months, give your vehicle a more thorough wash. Look at the edges, the high impact areas, and any spot that sees heat or friction. If anything looks off, lifting film, discoloration, contamination, bring it in so we can take care of it before it becomes an issue. That's all you need to do to keep your vinyl wrap, PPF, and ceramic coating looking brand new. If you ever have any questions or need maintenance products or services, reach out or stop by the shop. We're always here to help keep your vehicle in top shape. Thanks for watching, take care of your ride, and I'll see you in the next video.